In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a navigation bar in Figma. Let's start by getting the icons you need for your navigation bar. Make sure you have all the required icons ready. Create a selected option for these icons to use. Select the home icon and create a component set. Repeat this step for the other icons you have. For each icon, change its property name to selected or any relevant name. Now, let's start designing the navigation bar. Create a rectangle with a height of 77 pixels. Align the rectangle to the bottom of the frame. Change the color of the rectangle. Create a circle with a diameter of 46 pixels. Change the color of the circle. Design an ellipse that's 112 pixels wide and 72 pixels tall. Remove the fill and add a stroke. Copy the small circle. Double-click on the ellipse to edit it in vector format and paste the small circle in the ellipse. This is just for reference point. We will delete this circle later. Now adjust ellipse's handles as shown. Make sure the circle is on top of the ellipse. Then remove the stroke and add a fill color which is similar to your background color. And adjust the circle accordingly. Group the ellipse and the circle. Now that looks smooth. Bring in the icons from the Asset panel and arrange them at the center of your design. Select the first icon, move it to the center of the circle, and change its properties. Add text at the bottom, such as home. Repeat this for the rest of the icons, ensuring they are centered. Select the other text and push them down, making sure they are not visible in the frame. Reduce their fill opacity to 0. Select all the elements and frame them. Make 4 more copies of this frame, and rename each one accordingly. Move the circle to the second icon and adjust the text placements. Change their opacity accordingly. Now move the icon to the center of the circle. Change the state of the first icon to default and the second icon to selected. Repeat this step for the remaining 3 frames. Select all 5 frames and create a component set for your navigation bar. Let's add some interaction to the navigation bar. Select the default home icon in all frames, go to the prototyping panel, and link it to the respective frame. Repeat this process for the other icons. Select all the nodes and apply a smart animate with a gentle transition over 600 milliseconds. Drag and drop the component from the Asset panel to your canvas and fix it accordingly. And there you have it. You've created an animated navigation bar in Figma.